This is the DJI Osmo Action 3, the Action 3 camera, the battery door. Hover over the button, push up. The door will open very easy. This door will not come off, it's permanent. You then can get to the battery and remove it. It is a little troublesome. At times, it will come out. To remove the SD card, hover your finger over the slot and gently grab it and pull it out. Please make sure you put it in the correct way. Hover over with your finger, push in so it locks into place. Take your battery with the terminals facing down, slide in and press in. When you close the door, you want to make sure that orange disappears. So you're going to push on the DJI and roll down with your thumb to lock the door and hear that click. To open up the side of the door, same thing. Hover your thumb over the button and slide down. You see the two orange circles, and how you're going to take this door off. You're going to lift up all the way, thumb underneath, index finger, pull away. When you insert this door, please make sure that when you press the button that the hinge clamp is fully extended, and you're going to put this up higher than 90 degrees. You're going to do a little rocking action, and then you're going to close the door. That simple. If you take the door off and you want to try to put on a DJI Actions door, it will not work, and we'll show you exactly how that will fit. This is a DJI Action door. It fits on and it closes up. It exposes the sides, and now the camera is no longer waterproof. Please make sure you use the appropriate door for each of the camera. This is a GoPro door. The clamp will fit the camera, but it will not close and fit onto the door properly. So you want to make sure you use the proper door of DJI. You want to, again, hold it up as high as you can and roll it on. Make sure those two orange buttons disappear. This door is not closed properly. It is left ajar. So you push on the button, and then you do again. Push down, hear the click, and congratulations, you locked your doors on the Action 3 camera.